Hi everyone, I'm Simon, a senior electronic hardware engineer from Shenzhen. It is my great honor to solemnly recommend to you a highly practical, multifunctional, high-performance temperature-controlled soldering iron I designed. The most standout feature of this soldering iron is its real-time ground monitoring and alarm function. This function efficiently helps users reduce the defect rate caused by static electricity and leakage to nearly zero. In addition, the following features of this soldering iron are excellent, and may surprise or seem unbelievable to some friends. First, it heats up very quickly, with the fastest power-on tin melting time of 15 seconds, a heating speed efficient enough to meet lead-free soldering requirements. This may be the efficiency limit of a soldering iron handle with a separate heating core and tip structure. The separate structure provides an exceptionally wide range of soldering tip models to choose from, all at an affordable price, meaning the usage cost of this soldering iron will be very low, right? Second, I meticulously designed the EOS aspect, achieving surprisingly excellent results, with the ceramic heating core boasting an average lifespan of over 6 years. This heating core has thus become a durable component, truly exceeding my own expectations. But user experience over the past 10+ years confirms it. Clearly it seems other brands struggle to achieve this. Third, it adapts to AC 90 volts to AC 265 volts power sources, offering excellent power compatibility. Fourth, the maximum adjustable temperature is 600 degrees Celsius, so it can not only weld small SMD devices, but also weld metal parts. Such a soldering iron can meet most welding needs. Fifth, it has strong welding capability but ultra-low power consumption. The instantaneous power can reach more than 300 watts, but the average energy consumption is about 20 watts. Sixth, all functions are realized by pure hardware circuit, including sensitive and reliable automatic sleep function. In comparison, it offers a range of powerful and practical advantages, with overall performance exceeding that of many well-known soldering stations. Simple, practical, easy to use, durable, very typical engineer style, right? I hope friends like it.